diabetes are also at a higher risk for further health complications, including blindness, kidney failure, heart disease, stroke, and loss of limb. The risk of death for adults with diabetes is 50% higher than those without. So what can be done? Maintaining a healthy weight or losing weight if needed, eating healthfully, and doing things you enjoy to stay active can help improve life with diabetes. Individuals can also work with their healthcare providers to manage diabetes.
Diabetes isn't just about injections or tablets.
Blood checks and prescriptions.
It's the pressure of your care on your shoulders.
It's trying your best but still feeling like you're failing.
It's decision after decision after decision. It's knowing what can go wrong.
It's dealing with what does go wrong. Today, tomorrow, next week, next year.
Without the right emotional support, diabetes gets even harder.
Change this, so that emotional support is part of everyone's care.
From speaking with others who live with the condition,
to seeing a mental health specialist,
or just simply someone asking how you are.
Together we can make sure
everyone gets the emotional support
they need.
I try not to let it take over my life.
You just have to maybe take those extra precautions.
I never wanted anyone to turn around and say to me, because of diabetes, you can't do this. I live such a full life. I design, I go to the gym, I go out. So it's not like you can't have fun, you can. But you have to be a little bit more aware of yourself.
All the carefree things we always used to do, we think we can't do anymore, but we can. It just takes a bit more planning, doesn't it?
There's nothing that she can't do,
definitely.
because of diabetes.
Obviously, I'm always thinking about it. I will manage it by checking my blood sugars regularly, by taking my insulin when I'm due to take my insulin.
I've been a PE teacher for 18 years now, I think. Being active, it's the hard part. Every day is different. 100% helps me mentally.
Exercise plays a big role in terms of me coming out of depression.
Coming out into the countryside and just being in the air kind of relaxes me. It helps me to feel like I'm me again and not the person with diabetes.
If I wasn't diabetic, I wouldn't have the good habits that I have today.
I've always been of the opinion that it shouldn't hold you back. You just learn to adapt. There's no reason it should stop you doing anything.
There's so many people that start contacting me and saying, you know what, we've watched your story, and to see what you've been through, I'm going to get my walking shoes on.
I think just carry on enjoying everything that you do and just making sure that you think about your diabetes but not have it in the head all your time.
If someone else can see, actually, you can lead a normal life when you're diabetic, do you know what? It's going to be all right.